Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video on the channel. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment. Before we begin, please do go down below as well and sign up to BITUNIX. They're giving you a 30% bonus if you deposit and trade on their platform. Absolutely amazing. If you deposit $1,000 and trade, you'll get a $300 bonus instantly. Definitely worth going and checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity then on our daily time frame here. As we can see, we have had one of the biggest liquidation cascades that we've seen in crypto history, based on that move that we saw on Friday. And I think a lot of shenanigans on exchanges as well, to be honest. You can see Verasity here having a big drop to the downside and just coiling up and recovering right now, as you can see, after this huge move to the downside where we liquidated pretty much the vast majority of the long positions in the entire market. You can see here we dropped overall around 70% of the already incredibly down Verasity here, looking in an absolutely amazing spot for buys, to be honest. I don't think, as I've been saying previously, I didn't think it was possible that Verasity could go that much lower, to be honest, but I don't think anyone was anticipating what we've seen in the markets over the past 3 or 4 days. As you can see, looking like the biggest scam in history, to be honest. I'm pretty convinced that exchanges were in on this and they basically just deliberately allowed price to cascade to such a crazy degree that even cryptos that are basically in the top 10 have cascaded down 60 or 70% in one daily candle before instantly recovering back to where they probably should have dropped to. If you look at Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin really only dropped on that particular day down around 10%, whereas the altcoin basket dropped a grand total of 30% on the basket overall. And we've got, apart from Ethereum and Solana, a lot of other cryptos. Chainlink here went from $22 down to $8. Dogecoin dropping from $25 down to 25 cents down to 9 cents. And you can see Verasity here, also including the party, basically dropping down below this range that we've been in for a good while here, liquidating, I'm sure, a lot of people out of their long positions. I'm still not too worried, to be honest. I do still think Verasity is probably going to recover along with the rest of the market, and I think this big sweep out of all this liquidity could be the trigger for the market to actually head up now that we've had a full reset. Right now, not much to say apart from the fact that I'm just continuing to average in and wait for that bounce that I'm looking for through all this liquidity that we've got above now. There must be so many people piling into shorts at this point. There's going to be a lot of liquidity up here to come and target. So let's see what happens next. As always, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.